Welcome back. New on Sunrise this morning. If you have young kids at home that need to practice their fine motor skills, or if your children want to take some dino companions with them on trick-or-treating, well, we've got something for you at the Orlando Science Center.
Yeah, our own Alex Alisi is joining staffers from the Science Center to show us a prehistoric craft.
Hello everybody and welcome to the Science Summit here at the Orlando Science Center. I'm here with Jess, and Jess, what are we going to be making today?
So today we're going to be doing a really fun maker-inspired activity, and we're going to be making dinosaur puppets today.
Very cool. How do we go about that?
So making is really fun for our younger friends because as we create something, we're also practicing some skills. So for our younger friends, I'd like to say that tracing is a really good maker activity to begin practicing, which, you know, it doesn't seem very tricky to us, but tracing is a really good skill to practice.
Fine motor skills and everything.
Yep, exactly. So our very first step of making our dinosaur puppet is to trace our circle. So we're going to go ahead and do that. You can use whatever paper you have at home, but colored paper obviously makes it a lot more fun. Today we are making dinosaurs, but with this puppet technique that we're going to be doing, you can make literally anything. Yeah, you can make Pac-Man, you can make different animals, so it's just a really fun, easy way to make a puppet today. So another really good, another really good skill we're going to be practicing today is cutting. So cutting is another skill that takes practice. You know, it does. It really does take practice. And it's really fun to practice your cutting skills and get a really cute result at the end, you know?
Very nice.
So we're gonna cut out our circle. And I love this activity because you can tie a lot of dinosaur concepts to it. When we did it with our young friends here, they got to choose what dinosaur they wanted to create. So some of them gave them wings and made a pterodactyl. So now that we have our circle cut out and we have our two halves, so go ahead and cut that in half. Yep, good job. Yes, very good. Okay, so now that we have our two halves, we can decorate. So I really like this because you can give them some customization. I'm gonna go ahead and use these shapes.
Little triangles?
Yeah, if you would like to grab some of those shapes too. And it's just a sticker. So I'm gonna put them on the top. And you can do whatever you want. You can make any kind of dinosaur you wish. But I really like to do this because also you can talk about shapes. So you wanna give it maybe a smile. And this is a really fun activity because when you're done with it, I like to use the scrap paper to make food for your dinosaur.
So I can eat something.
Yeah, and you can talk through if it's a carnivore, if it's an herbivore, or if it's an omnivore. So if it eats both, if it eats one or the other. So now we're going to attach it to our actual clothespin, which is going to be what makes our puppet. So we got the top half, the bottom half, and now we'll go ahead and stick them to this clothespin. Yes, we will. So we're using, you know, I love my glue dots.
These things are great.
So we're gonna stick it to the top right here. And then to the bottom.
These are sticky.
They are very sticky, so obviously beware. But it is a really great adhesive to use at home.
It's not all runny like glue.
Yeah, I mean, if you wanna practice with hot glue at home, please, of course, do, but with adult supervision. And then you're just going to attach it to the top and the bottom. Yep, exactly.
That. And that.
Yes. And now we have,
little puppet.
Our little dinosaur puppet.
Awesome, Jess. And you can do this for all kinds of different activities, right?
Absolutely. And it's really fun because you can do some imaginative play and they can, you know, give them characters and little storylines. And again, I like to make food with the scraps.
Very cool.
Yeah, so I have a little meat right here.
The dinosaur can go and eat it.
Yum, yum, yum.
Awesome.
Or if it's an herbivore, can eat the little leaf.
There you go.
Yeah.
Nice.
Exactly. So it's really fun. And the kids, when they made them here, they played with them forever. And they just loved to make little storylines with them. And obviously, it's really fun to tie literature into this activity. So I have this one right here. It's Groovy Joe, Ice Cream and Dinosaurs, which is a really fun book because it's a sing-song book. So it's really nice. You can go page to page and there's a different dinosaur eating ice cream.
Very nice.
And it's really fun because you can tie it to your activity. And you can sing or you can act it out. You can make different dinosaurs based off of the different dinosaurs on each page.
Cool.
So lots of fun ways to tie different concepts to this activity.
And Jess, you said that they kids made them here. Where can people and parents find more information about when their kids can make some activities like
so
this?
you can go to osc.org/blog, and you can find a lot of really fun activities to make at home.
Okay.
Or, of course, you can come here to the Science Center and check out our awesome programming here.
Awesome, Jess. Well,
Yeah.
thank you so much, and thank you for joining us here on the Science of It.
And if you want to check out the other cool stuff that's happening there at the Orlando Science Center, it's open every day except Wednesdays from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m.